Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. I feel like my sloth friend is a little bit too distracting. So maybe I just have to put that somewhere else. But video. He's cute though. I like him. But yeah, you can go. Bye. In today's video, I'm going to do a chop to my hair over here because I just don't like the length, okay? And for once, this is not an impulsive decision that I made this morning. I've actually thought about this for a few weeks now because I just feel like it's getting a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut it myself, which is still not the best thing to do, but I'm going to do it anyways. But yeah, if you want to see me cut my own hair, then please keep on watching. And also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I really appreciate that. So, let's go! So yeah, this is my hair right now. Let me take it out of this bun that I have going on. Ooh. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is like so many layers. Oh my god, this is just like from here to here. Those are all just different layers on top of each other. And I just don't like that. I want my hair to be like one length. So yeah, I'm going to cut it. Also, before anyone is getting mad at me for doing this, I just want to say that I just really love to do it myself. Okay, I know it would be way better if I just went to a professional and got like the most beautiful haircut ever. But I just really like to do it myself. So I'm not going to go to professional. I could if I wanted to, but I'm not going to because I like to do it myself. So let's just start with like one piece over here. See how short I actually want it to be. Oh, but it's a cute length, right? Or is it too short? I have no idea. I think it's cute. Right? I have no idea how I'm going to do the back of my head. I guess I just kind of have to like guess it or whatever. Okay, but let's just do this side first. And then see if I like it. If I like it. Oopsie. 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 I swear I'm not having a mental breakdown, okay? I'm just having fun. Honestly, it's not that bad, right? Okay, this is not gonna work. I'm just gonna do like the general outline and then at the end I'm going to try and make everything straight. Which is definitely not gonna happen, but I can always try. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Cute! Cute! Cute, 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 cute. Oh my god, I got like a piece over here. It's probably like way too short. Or not. I don't know. It's gonna grow back anyway, so let me just cut everything shorter. This is probably like so painful to watch if you're an actual hairdresser. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making you feel horrible. Look, I'm not gonna lie. I know that I've done a terrible job so far, but I definitely like my hair like way better now than it was before I cut it. It makes me happy to have shorter hair again. Which is not something that I thought would ever come out of my mouth. But I am excited for this new hair journey. Also, I just realized, isn't your hair supposed to be wet when you cut it? I don't know. I didn't even cut off like that much hair. This is the only hair that I cut off. Just not a lot, to be honest. But yeah, let's just check out the back of my hair again and see what I made. It's not even that bad. It's honestly not even that bad, right? I mean, it's also not the best, but it's not. I thought it was gonna be way worse. Okay. There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to do the back of my hair. But okay, I got this right now, and I actually want it to be even shorter, I think. Wait, let me see. I don't know, I think it needs to be shorter, right? I mean, there's literally no use at all in asking you guys what I should do, because this is not live, and you are not sitting in my living room right now. But I think I want it to be shorter, so let's just chop a little bit more off. Let's just do it a little bit shorter. Is it bad that I'm not even like looking at what I'm doing right now? I'm just doing like la 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 la. Oh, I'm gonna trigger so many people by this video. I'm sorry, okay? I'm just a very unorganized person. But yeah, this is definitely way more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. So, probably should go to a professional after all. Because you know, I want it to be shorter, but I also like don't want to like fuck it all up, if you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna cut it. Whatever. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I still have wigs at home, so I guess that's fine. Professional. I am a professional. Oh no! Look at that! What did I do? Also, can you guys like see my hair dye? It looks so bad. I don't know, but I don't think I'll be using this hair dye on my hair ever again, because it looks weird. Okay. It looks kind of cute though, right? Or do I just have brain damage from all the bleach that I've been using in my life? I don't know, but I think it looks cute, kinda. I still wish that I didn't have like these weird layers on top, but there's nothing that I can do about it, so I should just shut up and not complain about it right now. Okay, I am happy right now. I'm not gonna lie, it still looks horrible, and not because of the length, but just because of the way that I cut it. I mean, I did a terrible job at cutting my hair, but I'm still happy that I have shorter hair, because I just really wanted to have shorter hair. But I do think I want it to be like even shorter than it is right now. But I feel, look, I think it's time for me to make a good decision for once. So maybe I should just like leave my hair alone right now and then go to an actual professional and let them cut it in a better way than that I just did. I did a pretty bad job, but I had a lot of fun doing it, so that's all that matters to me. Woo, 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 woo. How do people even get their legs in their neck? I don't. But yeah, I don't know. I guess this is it. I mean, I've had 0 mental breakdowns today, so it feels kind of weird to end the video on a positive note. But I think I'm actually kind of happy. Yes, it looks terrible, but also kind of cute. Kind of cute. It looks kind of cute. Ooh, I'm dizzy. But yeah, guys, this is my hair right now. This was today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I also just want to apologize to all the professional hairdressers out there, because I am sorry that you had to go through this. But if you're able to help me fix my hair, please let me know, okay? Because I definitely think that I will be going to a professional soon. Just to get it like a little bit better, okay? Just a little bit better. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Woo-hoo. Bye. How do I need to do this right now? Bye.